100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out till it's just damp. It is flipped inside out since it's being ice dyed. Got a piece of sinew attached to a marker so that I can do circles. So actually, let's measure it first. Let's try something. Is that close? That was very close to 4 inches. Okay. And we'll just draw these circles. Probably need to throw the purple one away because it's not really marking. Alright, redo these just to get to the sleeves. Great. And then we're just going to accordion each of these. It's usually easier to start with the third or fourth one in and then come back and touch up for the smaller ones. Since it's on the sleeve like this, I'm not, versus this, I don't know. Both of them are more of a pain, but I'm probably going to start with this, with the sleeve. We'll accordion around, tie that, and then, or rubber band that, and then come back for the others. Before I get started. I thought that was just for recycling things I could use. Okay, so let's start on that. Just go there. That'll be easier. Okay, and we'll just touch this up for each of these two. Great, I'm going to come in and tie each of those. So I'm going to move the rubber bands around to do that. Mark, watch here, no cheese here. So I have the last bit before I get to Alright. Now for each of these sections, we're going to scrunch this up. Alright, and then I'm going to drop some rubber bands on that, hold that in place. More or less. Just curl it out. There. There. Alright. Off to dye. The colors are going to be lemon yellow from Grateful Dyes, electric green from Dharma, and I was going to do Timberwolf from Dharma, but I think I'm going to do Kaleidoscope Ice from Dharma. I might regret that. We shall see. Alright, I'm going to do, let's see, dye under the ice on this, so let's go ahead and put the dye down and then drop some ice on. Now with the yellow, I'm not following the center line completely. I'm just kind of meandering around it, let's say. Okie dokie, we will let that melt through. Due to the temps outside, this has been sitting for almost 4 days. Let's go ahead and get it out of the foil and get it rinsed out. Yes, I'm aware I've got the water still running. We are well below zero outside. That happens here, this low, maybe 4 or 5 times a year, or every few years for a week stretch kind of thing. Pipes are in the attic. If we don't leave the water running during that time period, we will have thousands of dollars in plumbing damage. So I get it's wasteful, but it's a lesser evil. Alright, I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a look at the final. Here we have the front and the back. No clue what to call this one. I don't know. It's kind of cool, but no idea what to call it. There did end up being some browns. Well, no. Looking at it closely, these aren't really brown. These are maroon. Oh. Guess there's a little bit of brown in some of the places. Not bad for combining the yellow-green and, what was it? I don't even remember. Cherry or black cherry? Something like that. pretty good, not getting any browns in it. What do you think? If you'd like to watch these videos without ads, I do have my Patreon listed down below that allows you to watch the videos without ads. In addition to, I'm adding all the historical videos there too. Slow, but working on it. And let me know what you think about this, the Patreon, and anything else you'd like. Until next time, thanks for watching.